track of expected delivery dates and set reminders for staff using the to-do list. Locate the mom. Each mom will need a pregnancy record that includes an expected delivery date. To set reminders, create a to-do list view. Click Add To-Do List and give your list a descriptive name. Share it with staff members. Return to the General tab and enable emails. Use this field to share the list with individuals not listed in Child Plus. Determine what should happen if there are no dates found, and click here to add the information to a shared or personal calendar. Select the module that's going to contain the data, and click on the new tab to set parameters. Here we've selected to show all pregnant moms with an expected delivery date that is occurring within the next 30 days. Be sure to select the correct program terms and enrollment statuses and press Save to view your list. Emails will remind the staff of the dates listed here, and this list will update as actual delivery dates and new pregnancy records are added. Be on the lookout for the next #CPSmart video.